Welcome. In this lecture, you will learn about industrial terminology used for the pipe. As learned in the earlier lecture, pipe is a straight pressure-tight cylindrical hollow used in the piping system. Different type of pipe used in a different design condition considering various technical and commercial parameters. Pipe are mainly classified as a seamless and welded category. In welded category, there are two type of pipe is available. SAW, ERW or EFW pipe. SAW is submerged arc welded pipe. ERW and EFW is electrical resistance welded or electrofusion welded pipe. SAW pipe can further be classified as a straight saw and helical or spiral saw, depend on the type of welding performed on the pipe. Now straight saw pipe can further be classified as a single seam and a double seam. You will learn about this pipe in the next few lectures. In industry, pipe size are mentioned as an NPS or DN. NPS is nominal pipe size and DN is a diameter nominal. NPS is not outer diameter or inner diameter of the pipe. It is in between the outer and inner diameter of the pipe. You will learn about this in next slide. However, for the 40 inch and above pipe, NPS is same as the outer diameter of the pipe. Please note that the pipe and tube are not the same as far as dimension are concerned. In case of tube, outer diameter is fixed. For 1 inch tube, outer diameter is 1 inch. Whereas in case of pipe, 1 inch schedule 40 pipe, outer diameter is 1.315 inches. This picture shows what is NPS, what is OD and ID for the pipe. Pipe OD is fixed for all the schedule number. Hence, the ID will change with the change in pipe schedule number. You will learn about schedule number in upcoming slide. As I explained earlier, for the 14 inch and above, NPS is the same as the outer diameter of the pipe. Pipe length is mentioned in either meter or in feet. During the production, pipe are not manufactured in the same length, and during the construction of the process plant, you required various length of pipe. To address this issue, standard has defined pipe length in single random and double random category. Single random pipe comes in 4.8 meter to 6.7 meter in length with 5% of length in between 3.7 to 4.8 meter. Double random pipe has a minimum average of 10.7 meter and the minimum length of 4.8 meter with 5% of the length in between 4.8 meter to 10.7 meter. You can order the fixed length pipe also, but it may cost you more compared to standard length pipe. Based on your construction requirement, you can choose the pipe length. Pipe thickness are expressed in schedule number. Common schedule numbers are 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and 160. Pipe thickness are also expressed as standard XX or double XX. XX is extra strong, double XX is double extra strong. Higher the schedule number, higher the thickness of the pipe. What is schedule number? A schedule number is the approximate value of the equation 1000 into P by S, where P is a service pressure in pound per square inch and S is allowable stress in pound per square inch. As said earlier, the outside diameter of each pipe size is standardized. Therefore, inside diameter depends on the schedule number of the pipe. ASME B 36.10 provides the standard dimension requirement for welded and seamless wrought iron pipes. Thickness of the stainless steel pipe are expressed in the schedule number. However, there are only 4 schedule number as per the ASME B 36.90 that covers the dimensional requirement for standard pipe. These schedule number are 5S, 10S, 40S and 80S. Schedule number with S suffix is as per ASME B 36.90 and it is used with stainless steel pipe. So please remember, schedule number 10 and 10S does not have the same thickness. Pipe can be manufactured in different types of end, such as plain end, bevel end and threaded end. Depends on type of welding this end is selected. For socket type, plain end pipe is used. For butt welded, bevel end pipe is used. And for threaded connection, threaded end pipe is used. There are special ends such as socket and spigot with O-ring type of gasket are also available. In this lecture, you learn about basics of the pipe. You learn about size and thickness, how they are mentioned in NPS and schedule number. And you have also seen the different type of pipe end which used for different type of joint connection. See you in the next lecture.